Don't know what to make? Let's make peas Parisienne. It's going to change your life. Peas Parisienne, or as Jamie Oliver says, braised peas with lettuce, or whatever, however you would like to describe it. You got a package of frozen peas, you got a piece of romaine lettuce, you basically have dinner. Hot pan, olive oil. Right, you just want actually a tiny bit of olive oil because you're going to mostly use butter, but the olive oil prevents the butter from burning. Did you guys know that? Not in every case, but most cases. Butter. Basically melt the butter. Pretty simple. This is so simple, and you can add it like this to any dinner. Put in your shallots. One of the most common mistakes of A, dinner party tonight, and B, home cooks, is their pan is not hot enough. When you see people cooking on TV, first of all, they're using a high BTU stove. And secondly, the pan is 3 times hotter than your pan. Don't be afraid. This is a copper pan, so it got hot very quickly. So I'm going to put a little salt, put a little pepper. We're almost done making it, by the way. Okay? Now I'm going to make a sort of poor man's bechamel with a little bit of flour. It's going to become very roux-like very quickly. We don't want to darken this too much. This is the delicious coating for the peas. And then we're going to put in the peas, comme ça, with a little bit of stock, like this. Boop. Stir it around. Now, Adam doesn't like peas, but I don't blame him. Usually people overcook them. If you thaw them, you're almost done cooking them, okay? They shouldn't be boiled or anything like that. Should just lightly sort of warm them in this lovely sort of thick sauce. Okay, now I'm letting this heat up, and then right before I serve it, this is all done à la moment. You see how long it took me to make this? Is real time. I'm gonna throw in the romaine. I'm just gonna taste this, make sure the seasoning is okay. Okay, and now you really just heat this, and that's it. Doesn't that look like a fancy dish, like at your fancy party? But how easy was that? It's done. You can take it to the table right in this dish if you like the look of the dish. Peas Parisienne. You got a package of frozen peas, you got a piece of romaine lettuce, you basically have dinner.